So there's a wreck down here somewhere. I recorded by accident a few weeks ago, and I haven't been able to find it since I didn't mark it because I couldn't see at the time. If I was using my Aqua-Vu, I would have been able to see it.
This is both an introduction and a four-season review of the Aqua-Vu 822 HD.
So we're going to drop a camera down there and see if we can find it. So I think this is it. So we'll record that.
One of the impressive features of the new Aqua-Vu 822 is the ability to simply push a button and record in full HD. These are actual recordings that I took in 25 to 40 feet of water, averaging about 30 feet of water. As far as viewing it was concerned, it's what you see is what you get. It was very impressive. You could review the video immediately to see if you actually did get what you were looking for. Simply scroll through the menu to play back and there'll be a list of clips. Even in 35 feet of water, the image was very clear. The high-definition video was certainly great for any social media. Combined with the new dynamic screen image, it sure made viewing very easy in any light condition. There's an HDMI port if you wanted to watch it on television, and a USB port to transfer it to your computer or just view it.
Well, I've got rocks, I've got fish, but no wreck so far. So impressed with this screen. I can even see the goby down there. Oh, and there's part of the wreck. So I'll just mark that. Now I'll fish it.
One of the most convenient features of this new portable is the Revolution spool, fast deployment, retrieval, and storage.
Now I've been running around here with my side imaging for a half an hour and I couldn't see it.
Once I've got the video done, I'll rename the video the same name as I put on my waypoint. And now I'll use the same waypoint for ice fishing.
Another impressive feature about the 822 is the versatility in mounting. Basically, any piece of equipment that you can mount a camera on, you can mount this on. Thanks to the 1/4-inch inserts on the top and the bottom. So I can use a hanger with a 1/4-inch screw on it to hang it up in the hut. I can actually even use a cell phone adapter here that will fit on the back on the cable caddy. I can use a small cheap tripod, or I can use a large full-size tripod. So it really makes it easy just to mount it and carry it anywhere. Certainly convenient.
With winter coming on, there's always a concern about batteries in the cold. How long will they last? You want to be able to get at least one long day out on the ice without charging it. The 822 has an internal lithium battery which will give you up to 9 hours of life. The longest I actually used it on the ice was 7 hours. It was working fine, but you can actually charge the battery through the USB port or use an alternate source of power. So I used it all last winter to either view or record under the ice, and I even used it to salvage a buddy's cell phone down 22 feet. I might recommend a magnet rather than a 25-foot net. Combined with the Mod Pod, it made a great viewing or recording experience.
It's fry down there.
Then I used it to find fry on deep beds for my bass research. This was taken in 14 feet in overcast skies. So, after a year of use, I can confidently say this is a great multi-season unit. Portability, convenience and fast deployment, infrared lighting for viewing and recording at nighttime, HDMI output for viewing on other devices, USB input for data exchange, charging, or alternate power, intuitive menu with features like aspect ratio, quick viewing brightness adjustment, full picture control, brightness, contrast, and color. You can rotate the screen for viewing, change the setting for photo or video, and of course, watch your video. Did I mention there was a 60-foot cable? All these features packed into a full 8-inch HD screen. Definitely a 4-season, 5-star review.